Hey guys, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and I came across your guys' site on Home Advisor, looking for restoration companies in the Minneapolis area. And when I got to your site, I thought you guys might be interested in this video I'm about to show you on a few things that tips that you can apply right away to start getting more leads. Okay, so we are on your website. And it looks like you guys have a fairly decent website. Okay, you got a little bit of content. I'm not seeing a whole lot as far as keywords go. You definitely need to work on your content and keyword strategy. Google does not rank your website based on appearance. They rank based on content. So you need a lot of content. You need more content than your top competitors. And Google likes to see a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content focused on your buyer intent keywords. These are going to be the words that people are actively searching when they're looking for the services that you provide in Minneapolis. So let's see. You want to make sure that you have a separate page for every single one of your services. Good. It looks like you do. So you wanna use the same strategy on all your pages. It breaks down to about 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. So you definitely want to make sure that each of your services has enough content and is going after those buyer intent keywords so that you can be ranked and Google can put those customers in front of you. Um, Google has these little robots that go and index all of your pages, and they pull your content and keywords so that they can rank those keywords, so that they can help your customers find you. Since you have a lot of services, I chose one roofing, and one of your top competitors in roofing is Kaufman Roofing. They have a nice website as well. As you can see, they have separate pages for every one of their services. Let's see what else. Looks like they have more content. Okay. Not a whole lot more content than you, but they do have more content. So in order to beat these guys, you're definitely going to have more content than they do and focus on those buyer intent keywords. And then have a little SEO behind it so that you can rank those keywords. This is a program called Ahrefs, which helps us to analyze how your website is performing. And as you can see, you have a 1.4 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow. And that is 100% because of your referring domains and backlinks. Um, what this says is not all your backlinks are of good quality. Not all backlinks are equal. So you need to make sure that you have do follow backlinks that are relative and related to the services you provide, and that they are of high authority so that they can give you more power. And you need more backlinks and better quality backlinks than your top competitors. Currently, you only have 21 keywords being indexed, so you're only seeing on average one person to your website per month. Now, keep in mind, your website will drive 70% of your organic traffic, so it is critical to have your website optimized. When we look at your competitor, they have a low ranking of a 7, and they have 472 backlinks. Having this many backlinks and a low score says that they also have poor quality backlinks. So you're going to need to go out and get better backlinks and more backlinks. Um, And it looks like they have majority of their backlinks going to their home page, which is okay for the home page, but it does not help in being found for their services. So you really need backlinks to go with your keywords for each of your service areas. And they are currently getting 625 people to their website every month. So you can see that you're missing out on quite a bit of that organic traffic. Now, what a backlink actually is, it's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is to your services, the more authority it's going to give you, and the higher it's going to help you rank. But they do have to be do follow backlinks because those share the power of those high sites with you and help you to rank faster. And then again, you want to make sure that these backlinks are tied to your keywords so that you can be ranking in those services and your customers can find you. And the last thing I want to talk about real quick is this Google Map Pack or Google My Business. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section because 30% of people come straight to the maps and they don't go any further. So if you're not in the top 3 for each of your keywords and your service areas, then you're handing all of those leads to your competition. Now, in order to get into the top 3, there are a number of factors, but the most important is citations, which is the name of the business, an address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Dex, Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. And you need a lot more of those than your top competitors. When you follow all of these steps that I've provided for you today, your website can become #1 across Google for all of your service areas and your keywords. And so you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I provided you and apply it yourself, and that is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. If you decide you would actually like help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on our screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.